Patrol drain pan water levels and prevent potential flooding with the DiversiTech Condensate Cop Drain Pan Switch. This innovative clamp-on float switch is designed for easy installation on both plastic and metal HVAC drain pans. Its large over-clamping area ensures a secure fit on the pan's edge, while the separate float and probe assembly accommodates sloped-sided pans. To install the condensate cop, simply position the switch over the edge of the drain pan and let the powerful magnetic clasp do the rest, establishing a tight and reliable connection. As water levels in the drain pan rise, the magnetic switch activates, preventing potential flooding and protecting property from catastrophic water damage. Don't let rising water levels catch you off guard. Trust the DiversiTech Condensate Cop Drain Pan Switch to keep homes flood-free. Learn more about this product here, and make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more product tips, tutorials, and trade-related content.